So hey everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandhya and today I'm in Miranda House just for asking CUT score. I will be asking how they prepare for CUT and what strategy they have used. So let's go. What's your name and what's your course and CUT score?
My name is Kamna. I'm from BA Honours Philosophy Department and my CUET score was 755 and I'm in third year.
So hello, I'm Vedhi. I'm doing BA Honours Philosophy. My CUET score was 760 and I'm in my third year.
Okay, so how did you prepare for CUT? Like what strategy worked best for you?
The only strategy which I followed was the NCERTs, strictly sticking to the text, and whatever the deleted chapters which were there, I just prepared them out, and the mock test, the PYQs, and this was all I have done from my side.
Yeah, I would agree. I think there's no best source better than NCERT. NCERT, it is your Bible, Quran, Gita, everything. Just go read each and every line, read between the lines, and sometimes I realize while preparing for CUET, there are boxes in NCERT, so don't forget those boxes because questions directly come from those boxes. And once you're done with your portion and your syllabus, make sure you're going for PYQs or mock tests because that helps a lot.
Apart from that, in history you have the timelines backside of the chapters, so follow up that chronology. You must know that what after what events happen, because chronology nowadays is what the entry is asking more in the CUET exams.
Okay, so what do you like the most about your college, Miranda House?
For me, this is my second home. I can't express in words what Miranda House is, and not only for me, each and every student who is just studying over here. So it is the dream college of every student, and this college provides you with a lot of exposure, the professors, the infrastructure. Apart from that, the societies, each and every society is very much active. So the exposure this college gives is the best, I think, in the North Campus.
Yeah, I would agree. It's the exposure also because people are coming literally from all walks of life. You get to meet people who are coming from extreme south, extreme north, extreme east, extreme west. So the exposure part, you get to, people are coming from with different experiences and different expectations. So that is the best part. I would say societies, you get to learn a lot in societies. They are very active, and yeah, I think in general the building, I think I'm now addicted to these red bricks as well. So yeah, everything about Miranda.
Yeah, so last question. Based on your experience abhi tak ka, one advice you would give to your juniors?
Yeah, just prepare for the CUET and all the very best, and just follow up the NCERTs. They are the only mantras which can get you into your dream college and the DU. And that's all, and all the best wishes, and come to DU and enjoy your.
Yeah, all the best for your exams, but don't make it your life. Even if you don't make it here, it's fine. Your life will not end. Yeah, I would just say this.
Thank you. Okay, so hi, what's your name and what was your CUT score and course?
My name is Sneha and I'm from Sanskrit Honours and my CUET score is 745.
And from which year?
I'm from first year.
My name is Vanshika. I am pursuing Sanskrit Honours और मेरा score 834. First.
Based on your experience abhi tak ka, any advice you would give to it?
सिर्फ पढ़ाई को लेके मत चलना, और भी चीज़ों को देखना. लाइक अभी सिर्फ कोर्स पे ध्यान मत देना, और भी चीज़ों में वो करना, जैसे वेब डेवलपिंग वगैरह वगैरह. सो
हाँ, प्रेफरेंस शीट मैंने भरी थी. सबसे एक यूट्यूब चैनल है DU Buddy, सबसे हेल्पफुल है, बहुत हेल्पफुल, बहुत मतलब बहुत अच्छा जानकारी मिली.
हाँ, जैसे अगर आपको कहीं पे भी, मैंने जो प्रिप करी थी अपनी, वो मैंने DU Buddy से करी थी. उस पर मुझे PYQs और सारा मटेरियल मिल गया था मेरे हिसाब से. तो इफ़ यू वांट दैन तुम उससे कर सकते हो अपनी प्रेप. एंड NTA की साइट पे भी मुझे इतना कुछ मटेरियल नहीं दिखा जितना मुझे DU Buddy पे दिखा. सो आई विल सजेस्ट कि आप DU Buddy से पढ़ लो.
What do you like the most about your college, Miranda House?
हम यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल रहते हैं. एज यू कैन सी, कहीं पे भी बैठ जाओ. गर्ल्स कॉलेज है, बहुत बढ़िया, मतलब कोई भी ऐसा इशू नहीं है यहाँ पे.
सेम
फैकल्टी भी अच्छे हैं यहाँ के. फैकल्टीज
कोई ऐसे इशू नहीं होता कि लड़ाई झगड़े का कोई इशू नहीं है. एंड बहुत कंफर्टेबल है, कहीं भी कैसे भी कपड़े पहन सकते हैं.
एंड ऑफ कोर्स यहाँ की स्टडीज़ वगैरह भी मतलब बहुत अच्छी है. रिसर्चेज भी अच्छी है यहाँ पे. तो ऑफ कोर्स आई विल प्रेफर मिरांडा.
Hi, what's your name and what was your CUT score and course?
Hello, my name is Dejan and my CUT score was 690 and I'm from Miranda College and Geography department. Yeah.
Hello, my name is Itzis. My CUT score was 754, I guess, I don't remember. And I am currently in Geography department in Miranda House.
Okay, and from which year?
We are third years now.
Okay. So, like, how did you prepare for CUT and like what strategy worked best for you?
Best NCRT books. Yeah.
All 12th syllabus that we have done during our 12th. And also some CUT, I guess, R. Gupta, I guess, I don't remember the book's name. Yeah, that guidebooks and little bit the one that we have thoroughly studied during our 12th class. For most of the syllabus were there. So it was easier for us that we have done it already. So the strategy was simple, like we were doing self-study and spending time with ourselves only. So no much other things happened.
Okay, so like, what do you like the most about your college, Miranda House?
So first, it's a girl college. So yeah, it's safety and the comfortness and all. Yeah.
Yeah, the aura is also different here. Like it's a not a co-ed college, so it's a girls' college. So it's the comfort and the safety is always there, and the sense of belongingness and how people make you feel is very different here. And obviously we are not like left out here. We are like everybody's like we are just included in everything. So it's a great place. Like after all, yeah.
So, last question, like based on your experience, what advice you would give to your juniors?
Don't take stress. हो जाएगा सब कुछ.
I think you should just believe in yourself that you can do it, and you can you can do it in whatever things that you feel like you can like do it. So somehow in the other way, like it feels like somehow life is all about like happy and sadness. It's a combination of both of that. So when you are coming in a college, it's like both the sorrow and happiness also there. So I think you should balance both of the things and get to know how life really works, and just stay happy, and then you can do it somehow. Like it's all up to you and yourself and how you're doing things in your life. So I think it's like you can do it. That's what we feel. Yeah.
Okay, thank you guys. And that's what's your name and what was your CUT score and what's your course?
Hi, I'm Sivang. My CUT score was 780 out of 800 and I'm currently doing political science honors.
And from which year?
I'm in my final year, third year.
Hello, I'm Manuspriti Mishra. I scored 784 out of 800 in CUET and I'm pursuing geography honors. I'm in my final year as well.
Hello, I am Bhumi Pashne. I scored 700 out of 780.
And from which year?
Third year.
Okay. So, like, how did you guys prepare for CUT? Like, what strategy worked best for you?
So I actually come from CBSE background only, so just rereading all the NCRT books was enough for me, and I think I only did that much.
I come from ICSE board, so it was really difficult for me to switch from those ISC textbooks to the NCRT. So what helped me was solving more and more number of questions and supplementing them with the NCRTs. So that strategy helped me a lot.
I also come from ISC board. So basically, I think a month before I started my preparation, I was more into like the syllabus was same. So I was more into solving more and more questions and doing it in a short period of time. So I can crack the exam easily.
Okay. So, the most about your college?
Everything, I would say. Like just like the kind of vibe there is in Miranda, you know, it's such a safe environment, and like all the people, like all the girls are so lovely, all the professors also, and the infrastructure, like it looks so pretty, like even in photos, and like even if you go, like we just take a walk around,
Right.
it's just so pretty. Yeah, that's
What I loved about this college is the diversity. Diversity not only in the people but also in the perspectives, because of which somewhere I feel that my mindset has broadened to a very great extent, and this is something which I would always cherish for the rest of my life about this college.
I think
not being in only Miranda, it's about Delhi University you are entering, so you will meet a lot of people, so many types of people from different states, so it would help in growing more, knowing more, so much. And being in Delhi, it's the capital, so it just opens your mind, opens so many opportunities. Also specifically in Miranda, or you can say in any college, I think diversity is one of the best thing you can get. Not any you will not get this easily in any other college in India.
Okay, so last question. Based on your experience अभी तक का, like what advice you would give to your juniors?
Chill karo. yeah, just live your life. Yeah.
If you are entering geography department, तो पहले से चीज़ें पढ़ के रहना. Don't expect that you would be spoon fed सब कुछ एकदम, because here you will be treated as someone who is already well versed with all those complex geographical concepts. वो lat long कैसे निकालना होता है, and then scales and everything. So वो थोड़ा पहले से पढ़ के ready रहना है.
आई थिंक पढ़ाई लिखाई तो देख जब आते तो पता चल ही जाती है, सबके साथ रहते हैं, असाइनमेंट्स वगैरह कैसे टैकल करने होते हैं, सब जैसे करते वैसे ही कर सकते हैं. बट मेरी एडवाइस ये रहेगी कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कॉम्पिटिशन्स में पार्ट लेना, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कॉलेजेस में जाना, क्योंकि वो एक्सपीरियंस आप जब थर्ड ईयर एंड कर रहे होगे ना, तब आपको समझ में आएगा कि और कुछ कर लेते भी.
Yeah, and also explore the societies. Yeah, those opportunities like don't come back. Yeah.
Thank you. So hi guys, what's your name and what's your course and CUT score?
My name is Yash Yadav and I'm from first year. My CUT score was out of 750, so it was like above 650 above.
What's your course?
Course is BA Honours Sanskrit.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Nishtha and I'm from second year BA Honours Sanskrit. I scored 717 out of 800 in CUET. I'm from second year.
Okay. What strategy worked best for you?
Like it's better if you focus on NCERT only, because all of the things were from there only, or try to solve the previous year question. That is mandatory. Like हाँ, previous year question करके ही जाओ, वो होना ही चाहिए.
Yeah, I would suggest कि NCERT, stick to NCERT, because if you study it minutely, you can see कि बहुत सारे questions आते हैं जहाँ पर there are points which one might think that ये नहीं आता है exam में, but they do end up coming in exams. So yeah, NCERT को minutely पढ़ना चाहिए.
Okay, so what do you like the most about your college, Miranda House?
Like it's Miranda, like तो वो हर चीज़ में ही अच्छा है. मतलब हम faculty ले लो या infrastructure, everything is top notch.
Okay.
I like the comfort that we have around here.
Yeah.
Like it's very like welcoming, and you know you can do whatever you want. The girls are very much like friendly. They always help you. The teachers are very helpful. Like everything is just very nice.
Okay, so last question. Based on your experience अभी तक का, any advice you would give to your juniors?
जूनियर्स को एडवाइस, लाइक अगर आप आ रहे हो तो प्लीज़ पढ़ाई पे ज़्यादा फोकस रखना, और अगर आप किसी चीज़ एक्टिविटीज़ में हो तो उसको मतलब ये मत रखना कि पढ़ाई करो तो वो चीज़ बंद कर दिया. स्टिक टू डैट. और फ्रेंडशिप में इतना वो नहीं, स्टार्टिंग में सब अच्छा लगता है, एंड में आते ये सब बर्बाद हो जाएगा.
It's kind of different for me, I would say. Like it's not like I didn't find friends. The friends I had from first semester, they're still friends with me like for so long. Like हम लोग third year में जाने वाले हैं, and still they are my like the bestest friends I can ever find. तो yeah, I would say कि not just about friendship, also academics को लेके इतना भी pressure मत लो कि बिल्कुल ही उसमें दब जाओ. I would say explore the college, explore outside the college की campus कैसा है and all. Of course lectures miss करके नहीं, but what I'm trying to say is explore. Don't just like focus into academics. बाहर की भी चीज़ें देखो, experience करो, go to different competitions और उसमें participate करो. It will end up giving you a lot of exposure of the campus, जो DU mainly famous है इसके लिए.
Okay, thank you guys. Hi, what's your name and course and CUT score?
Hello, my name is Sahiba Saluja. I'm from Miranda House Philosophy Department, and my CUT score was 728.
Okay, and what, from which year?
I'm from third year.
Okay, so how did you prepare for CUT? Like what strategy you have used?
I think I was really consistent after my boards too, and like the NCERTs were the main source from where I studied, and after that I think I used YouTube.
Okay, and for English?
For English, this was just basic English which we were like using for the college schools.
Okay. Okay, so what do you like the most about your college, Miranda House?
I think how women are so open in the college and we don't feel anything, any restraints, anything. So I think that's the best thing. And people around, I think थर्ड ईयर में आकर ये समझ में आता है कि कोई जज नहीं कर रहा है, हम लोग को जो करना है हम लोग बहुत फ्री हैं, सब कर सकते हैं, कुछ बात नहीं है.
So last question, based on your experience अभी तक का, one advice you would give to juniors?
अपना प्रेफरेंस लिस्ट अच्छे से आप लोग फिल करो और जब कॉलेज में आ जाओ तो फुल एंजॉय करना, क्योंकि फर्स्ट ईयर में ऐसा होता है कि सब लोग इतने ज़्यादा नहीं खुल पाते. एंजॉय करो आप लोग अपना, और हाँ प्रेफरेंस लिस्ट अच्छे से बढ़ना और बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ाई करो ताकि आप लोग आ पाओ, क्योंकि यहाँ की लाइफ बहुत ही अच्छी है. आप लोग को एक्सपोजर इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा मिलेगा कि लाइक आई वॉज द मोस्ट सोशली ऑकवर्ड किड तब, अभी भी हूँ, लेकिन अभी बहुत ही ज़्यादा चेंज है. मेरे पेरेंट्स भी बहुत खुश हैं कि कुछ तो अच्छा है.
Okay, thank you.
Bye bye.
Thank you. So yeah, this was the video of asking CUT score. I hope it helped you a lot. And if you have any doubts regarding the CUT, so drop in the comment section. And all the best for your CUT exam. And subscribe to my channel.